Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 9th standard CBSE Mathematics, Chapter 12, Heron's Formula. We are doing exercise 12.2 children, 6th question. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. Each piece measuring 20 cm, 50 cm and 50 cm. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? So this is the shape children. Here you see 50, 50 and 20 are the measurements. Right children? Like this we have 10 triangles inside. So let us start. To find out the triangle area we need S. S means perimeter by 2. Right children? Perimeter means 20 plus 50 plus 50 divided by 2. 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 20, 120. 120 by 2, that equal to 60 centimeters. Correct children? So we know Heron's formula. Triangle area equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Correct children? Here S equal to 60. So root of 60, 60 minus 20, 60 minus 50, and another side also same, 60 minus 50. Correct children? So this equal to root of 60, 60 minus 20, that means 40 children, 60 minus 50, 10, and here also 60 minus 50, 10. Correct children? This equal to root of 6 into 10 children. Here 40 I am writing 2 into 2, that is 4 into 10. Again here 2 tens, 10 into 10. Right children? Now see 2 tens here, that means root of 10 square into again 2 tens here. 10 square, 2's here. Right children? 2 square into only 6 inside. Right? So this equal to 10 square means square and square root will get cancelled. 10 outside and again 10 outside. 2 also outside children. So only root 6 is here. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 2 children, 200. Root 6. 200 root 6 centimeter square is the one triangle area. Right? Therefore, one triangle area equal to 200 root 6 centimeter square children. There are 5 triangles made of same color. There are 5 triangles made of same color and another 5 triangles with another color. So area of each color we want. That means 5 into, because 5 triangles are in same color. What is one triangle area? 200 root 6 centimeter square. Right children? 5 into 200, 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So area of each color that equal to 1000 root 6 centimeter square children. 7th question children. A kite is in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 cm and an isosceles triangle of base 8 cm and sides 6 cm each is to be made of 3 different shades children as shown in this figure. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? Here we have to find out the first shape area and second shape area children. This is in one shade, right? And this is in another shade and third one also in another shade children. Correct? So we have to find out this first shape area and second one area and the third one area separately. Right children? In this question they have already mentioned that kite in the shape of square. So that area formula equal to half into diagonal square. Square area. Right children? So full square area we will find out first, that equal to half into diagonal, already mentioned that 32 centimeters. This is 32 and this is 32. Right children? 32 square. Half into 32 into 32. 2 ones are 2 16s are children. 16 into 32, that is 512 centimeters square. This is full square area. But we want half of this and half of this. Correct children? That means we want this shaded area and this area, second shape area. So first area is equal to half of this one. This is full square area. We have to do half. 512 divided by 2, that equal to 256 centimeter square. So this shaded area is 256 centimeter square, children. Now the second portion same. So second part area also 256 centimeter square. Right, children? Here they have given third part. Third part they already mentioned that it is isosceles triangle with base 8 centimeter and sides with 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now we have to find out the third shape area by using Heron's formula. Here S equal to perimeter divided by 2, children, that is 6 plus 8 divided by 2. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20 by 2, children, that is 10 centimeters. Correct? Now we know S value, we can find out the area, third shape area. This equal to root of S. S means 10 here. S minus A, 10 minus 6. S minus B, 10 minus 6 again. S minus C, 10 minus 8. Correct, children? So this equal to root of 10 into 10 minus 6, 4. Here also 4. 10 minus 8 is 2, children. Right? Root of 10 I am writing as 2 into 5. This one 2 into 2. Here 2 into 2. And here 2. Correct? This equal to root of, see, 2 square. And here one more 2 square. And here one more 2 square, children, and 5 also there. Here square and square root will get cancelled. 2 into 2 into 2 root 5. That equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 root 5 centimeter square is the third shape area, children. So this shape area is 8 root 5 centimeter square. Here root 5 value is 2.236, children. So that means 8 into 2.236 so on. That equal to, we can write 8 into 2.24. That equal to 17.92 centimeter square. 17.92 centimeter square, children. Eighth question, children. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular shapes. The sides of a triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 pies per centimeter square. Right, children? So this is the design. Here I didn't draw fully, children. Just a little triangle shape only I have drawn. See, this is the first triangle. Right? This is one triangle and this is second triangle. Like this we have total number 16 triangles, children. If you find out one triangle area, we can multiply with 16 and we can find out the full area, children. So let us start. We need perimeter first. S equal to perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter means 28 centimeter plus 9 centimeter plus 35 centimeter, children, divided by 2. 28 plus 9, children, 37. 37 plus 35, 72 divided by 2, that equal to 36 centimeters. This is S value. So we can find out the triangle area by using Heron's formula, that equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Correct, children? We know S value, that is 36 centimeters. Write it here, 36. S minus A, 36 minus 28. S minus B, 36 minus 9. S minus C, 36 minus 35, children. This equal to root of 36. 36 minus 28, children, that is 8. 36 minus 9, that is 27. 36 minus 35, that is 1, children. Right? So this equal to root of 36, I am writing 4 into 9. And 8 we can write 4 into 2. 27 also we can write 3 into 9, children. So here see, 2 9s are there, 9 square, and 4s also 2 we have, 4 square. Here 2 into 3 are left. So 2 and 3 are left, children, that is 6. Root of. Here root and square will get cancelled. So 9 into 4 inside root 6. Right, children? This equal to 36 root 6 centimeter square. One triangle area is 36 into root 6 centimeter square. If you change this value, it will be 88.2 centimeter square. This is only one triangle area. 88.2 centimeter square, children. Here one triangle area is 88.2 centimeter square, children. We have 16 such triangles. That means total area of 16 triangles equal to 16 into 88.2. That equal to 1411.2 centimeter square, children. This is the total tails area. Here polishing cost of one tail is given, children, that is 50 pies per centimeter square. That means if you change it in rupees means it will be 0.5 rupees per centimeter square. Correct? Now we want polishing cost of all tails. That means polishing cost for this whole area. That equal to this area into the cost. Right, children? 1411.2 into 0.5. One tail polishing cost. That equal to 705.6 rupees. Right, children? Ninth question, children. A field in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of this field. Right, children? So, let the trapezium is A, B, C, D, children. These are the parallel sides and these are the non-parallel sides. First, we will draw line segments BE here, exactly parallel to AD. AD is parallel to BE and we will take the same measurement. So, this will be 10 meters now. Correct, children? Now, we will draw a perpendicular line segment from B to CD. Right, children? Let the point is F. So, this is E and this is F, children. Right? Now, AD is parallel to BE. So, that means AB is 10 meter means DE also 10 meters. Correct, children? Now, AD and BE are parallel. That means AD is 13 meter means it is given BE also 13 meters. Now, coming to EC. Here, this is already 10 meters. Now, what is the length of EC? 25. Whole length 25 minus 10, that is 15. Right, children? EC equal to 25 minus ED. 25 minus what is ED? 10 meter. That equal to 15 meters now. Correct, children? So, we know 15 meters this length and this is 14 meter and this one is 13 meter. We can find out this triangle area, children. So, let us start here. Therefore, triangle BEC area equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, children. See, exactly I have drawn down here. BE is 13 meter and BC is 14 meter. EC is 15 meter. Right, children? So, we need S now. 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2, that equal to 42 by 2, children. 21 centimeters. 21 meters. So, we know S value. So, we will find out triangle area. This equal to root of S is 21. S minus A 21 minus 13. S minus B 21 minus 14. S minus C 21 minus S minus C 21 minus 15. Right, children? This equal to root of 21 into 21 minus 13, 8. 21 minus 14, 7. 21 minus 15, it is 6, children. Correct. Root of 21 means root of 3 into 7 we can write, children, 21. In place of 8 we can write 2 into 2, children, and 7 here, 6, 2 into 3, children. Right. So, this equal to root of, here we have 2 3's. 3 square into 7 into 7. That means 7 square we have and 2 square and again 2 2's. 2 square, children. So, all we have squares only. Square and square root will get cancelled. 3 into 7 into 2 into 2. 3 7s are 21. 21 into 4, children. That is 84 meter square. 84 meter square is this triangle area, children. We know We know that parallelogram area equal to B into H children and triangle area equal to half into B into H. Here we don't know height children, perpendicular height. From this triangle area, triangle BEC area, we can find out H value. Half into base here, this is 15 meters. 15 into H we don't know, that equal to 84, right? 84. Correct children? Now we find out. We can find out H value. H equal to 84. This 2 will go here and divided by 15. Right children? 84 into 2 divided by 15. So H value is 11.2 centimeters. 84 into 2 equal to 168 divided by 15 equal to 11.2 centimeters. Now we know H value, this perpendicular height, that means parallelogram height, that is 11.2 centimeters children. So that we can apply parallelogram area B into H formula and find out this ABDE area children. So here B into H, that equal to base here 10 meter and H equal to 11.2. 10 into 11.2 children, that is 112 meters square, right? 112 meters square here. So this one 112 meters square and area of this triangle shape is 84 meters square, right children? So total area is equal to triangle area plus parallelogram area, right children? Triangle area we have already know that 84 meters square plus parallelogram area is 112 meters square, that equal to 196 meters square. This is the total field area children. This is the end of this chapter children. I hope you understand the concepts very well. Thank you very much.